everyone, welcome back to another Meet the Bag segment here at Beans Bags and Handicrafts. Today I would like to introduce you to the Esperanza bag by Rosa Designs. This is such an incredibly beautiful bag. You can tell she's in the same family as the Erica Bowler bag and the Magdalena bag. She's kind of got that signature front pocket and shape. I just love all of these bags in this collection. This is a larger handbag. She can be worn three ways, so as a handbag, and then there's a crossbody strap that could be a shoulder or a crossbody strap. Let me show you some of the other details about this bag. So she has this decorative flap here that's held with a swivel clasp. I'll get that undone. And then on the front and the back, we have a slip pocket here and here. It is a recessed zipper. And on the inside, we have one side has two slip pockets and the other one has a zipper pocket. She is just beautiful. I know this will not be the last one that I make of these. Yeah. So if you like large handbags, this is definitely the bag for you. Yeah, so if you would like to order one of these, get a hold of me over on Facebook. Shoot me an email. All my information is down in this description below. If you are part of the bag makers community, I will have, if I don't already, depending when you're looking at this video, a tutorial on how to make this very bag. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye!